Hello everyone, welcome to Beautiful Naturally. In today's video I am going to tell you about a charcoal face mask. It's very good for your skin. It detoxify your skin, it clarify your skin and give you a very neat and clear complexion to your skin. And I have just take off the mask and my skin look very clear to me. I don't know if you can see the difference, but to me it's look more clear and even tone. And I really like this mask because it's very simple and easy to apply, and it will also tighten up your skin. So to know more about this mask and to know more about the ingredients, please continue to the video.
So for this, first I take 1 teaspoon of charcoal powder and then I add bentonite clay. If you have bentonite clay, you can also add multani mitti or the fuller earth powder. Mix these two dry ingredients very well, and then I am going to take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Now mix this gel along with these powders, and next I am going to add freshly brewed green tea. So you take in little quantities to make a nice fine paste which can be easily applied on your skin. You can also add your favorite essential oil, 2 to 3 drops. It's totally optional. If you have, you can use it. And now I'm ready for application. So I advise you wear a old t-shirt, and if you don't, then cover your clothes with a paper towel or any old towel. Now apply it on your face using upward strokes, and when you are finished, you have to keep it for 8 to 10 minutes, and after that wash your face very well with lukewarm water and then apply your favorite moisturizer. You will see the result immediately.
Hello everyone, welcome to Beautiful Naturally. So now I have washed my charcoal face mask and you can see my skin look more clear to me. I don't know if it is visible to you, but to me it look really more clear. So this was all about this today's mask. I hope you will try it and you will see the difference yourself. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching and bye bye.